Hello there and welcome to my tutorial on how to embed a Google Street View tour onto your Wix website. I was left with a question in my previous video which has asked me, I have successfully embedded a tour into my Wix page but it looks awful when viewed on a mobile device. How can I optimize it for mobile? Thank you. So assuming that you've got a Street View tour embedded onto your Wix website already, if not I'll leave a link to that one in the description below. Let me show you how we can optimize it to view properly on both your Wix website on computer and mobile device. Okay, so here's my gallery on the website in question. As you can see, we've already got a Street View tour properly embedded onto the website already. What we don't have is a mobile optimal view. So when we go into the mobile optimal view, as you can see, it's only showing the top left corner of the Street View tour that's currently on there. It looks awful, as the lady has commented in the previous video. So what we need to do is we need to create a version like this onto the phone. And how we do that is first we're going to go and find the location that we need on Google Maps. So once we find our position that we want to be in, we're going to go into the top left hand corner and we're going to click on the three dots. We're going to go to share or embed image. We're going to go over to embed a map. And in this window this is what the viewer is going to see, so you can reposition it to your desired layout. So I want the viewer to look right there. Okay, so next we're going to go into the window frame size. We're going to go to custom size and we're going to put in 280 by 280. And all will become apparent in a moment. So we're going to go to the Wix website now. We'll go to add, more, embed a site. This is the same window that we used to get the original tour up. So in the enter website window, we'll go to code and we're going to paste that code that we just got from Google Maps. As you might be able to see, it says up there width 280, height 280, so you know it's worked. So we're going to go ahead and open that. And as you can see, there's a little tiny Street View tour that's been made, and you can just get rid of the scrolling options there. So what I do in this situation now is I overlay it on top of the original tour, and we're going to send that behind the Street View tour. It won't look like this on the phone version, don't worry, or the website. So we put that to the back. And then on the mobile view, all we need to do is we're going to get rid of the big Street View window, and then we're going to take the little one and just get the sizes to so that the scroll bars don't turn up. As you can see, that's a much better fit for a mobile view. So the computer Street View window is now invisible on the phone version, and the phone version is also invisible on the website. So now when we go into the viewer, we can see that the Street View tour is now working, but on a much smaller scale, which is ideal for a phone device. So 280 on a width is what you want to be going for. You can make the Street View tour taller, and just make sure that the width is always 280. And that's all there is to it. So if you have any further questions about how to embed a Street View tour onto your Wix website, both on the computer or on your mobile device or tablet, let me know in the comments below. I'll try and help you out if I can. Thanks very much for watching this tutorial. Hope it was helpful to you. And yeah, best of luck. All the best for the future. Take care for now. Bye bye.